Hello everyone and welcome to ForB's English lesson video. I'm Robbie and today we're doing a listening exercise and we're listening for the sound L and R at the beginning of words. In previous video lessons we've done the pronunciation of L and R, so please check out that video. But today we're doing listening, okay? So on this column we have words that start with L: light, lobby, locket, lace, and loyal. And on this side we have words that start with R: right, Robbie, rocket, race, and royal. Okay? Now your job is to listen to me pronounce these words and you tell me if I'm saying number 1 or number 2. Okay? You ready? Here we go. So first one is light or right. Okay. Right. Right. Light. Right. Light. Okay, could you hear? Next, lobby and Robbie. Okay, here we go. Lobby. Robbie. Lobby. Lobby. Robbie. Okay. Next is locket, rocket. Here we go. Rocket. Locket. 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 Rocket. Okay, that one's difficult. Okay, next, lace and race. Okay, here we go. Race. Race. Lace. 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 Good job. Next is loyal and royal. Okay? Here we go. Royal. This one. Loyal. Loyal. Royal. Loyal. Okay, could you hear? I hope so. Okay, so be careful when listening to English and the L and R sound. Of course, they're quite different and completely changes the meaning of the word. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching today's lesson video. I'm Robbie. See you next time.